Hey there, I'm Michael Make Money, and today we're diving deep into the world of making money online using just your smartphone. If you're ready to turn your phone into a cash-generating powerhouse, you're in the right place. We're about to explore the top 10 ways to fill your pockets without ever leaving your screen. So buckle up because your journey to financial freedom starts right here. Coming in at number 10 is online coaching. Online coaching is in demand because people are seeking personalized guidance and expertise in various areas of their life, from fitness and nutrition to business and career development. The convenience of virtual coaching sessions through video calls makes it accessible to a wider audience. Online coaches can earn up to $100,000 a year and more. The global online coaching market is expected to reach $6.17 billion by 2025. Forbes found that 94% of people who receive coaching report making better decisions. Some well-known figures who do coaching is Tony Robbins, Eric Ries, the author of The Lean Startup, and Marie Forleo. You can use sites like Zoom or Skype. You can also use sites like CoachMe where you can list your coaching services. To get started doing this, you should research a topic and become an expert in that field. Then you can set up a professional online presence through website or social media and use conferencing tools for coaching sessions. Coming in at number 9 is vlogging. Vlogging has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's a great way to share your experiences and creativity with a global audience. You can share expertise on specific topics like education, entertainment, or inspire the audience through video content. Vlogging is demand because people are always seeking information. It offers a personal and engaging way to connect with the audience. Vloggers can make up to $1 million a year. Some well-known vloggers include PewDiePie, known for gaming and lifestyle content, and Cassie Neistat, renowned for his vlogs on daily life and adventures. One of my personal favorites is YBS Youngbods. You can start by vlogging by choosing a niche or topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience. You then create your YouTube channel or use other vlogging platforms and start publishing high-quality content regularly. Consistency is key to building your audience. Once you have a substantial audience, you can start monetizing your blogs by exploring options such as ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Be transparent and selective about your partnerships to maintain trust with your audience. Vlogging offers an exciting opportunity to express yourself, connect with an audience, and potentially earn income doing what you love. With dedication and creativity, you can build a successful vlogging career. Coming in at number 8 is social media management. Social media management is in demand because businesses and individuals need to establish and maintain a strong online presence. Effective social media management helps increase brand visibility, engage with the audience, and drive sales. You can earn up to $75,000 a year or more using this strategy. Businesses spend over $36 billion on social media advertising. Some well-known people in this field are Kim Gass and Mari Smith. You can use sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to do your social media marketing, depending on the type of business you're doing it for. You can get started by developing a strong understanding of social media platforms and trends. You can offer services like content creation, scheduling, posts, and more. You can then create a portfolio showcasing your work. You can then reach out to businesses or individuals who may need social management services. Coming in at number 7 is renting out your stuff. Renting out personal items is in demand as it provides an opportunity for people to earn money from underutilized possessions, while helping others access items they need for a short period. Earnings depend on items you rent out, but some people earn thousands of dollars annually through rental platforms. The global sharing economy is expected to reach $335 billion by 2025. P2P rental platforms have grown substantially in recent years, indicating increased demand. You can use sites like Fat Llama and Turo and Airbnb for renting out stuff. To get started, look around your house right now, look at your assets. What are you willing to rent out to earn some money? You can set competitive prices, provide detailed descriptions, and high quality photos. You can then handle transactions and reviews professionally to build a good online reputation. Coming in at number 6 is investing. Investing is in demand as people seek to grow their wealth and secure their financial future. Mobile apps have made it easier for you to start investing with small amounts of money. Well-planned investing can lead to significant returns over time. According to Gallup, about 55% of Americans own stock, either directly or through funds. Some well-known figures who are good investors are Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. And believe it or not, Elon Musk is also a really good investor. You can use sites like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash to invest from your mobile phone. To get started, research and educate yourself about different investment options, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Then start off with a small amount of money to get comfortable with the process. Diversify your investments to spread the risk. Stay informed about market trends and make informed investment decisions. Coming in at number 5 is selling products. Selling products online is an in-demand business because it provides a convenient way for consumers to access a wide range of goods. It also helps you to reach a global market. You can earn up to millions of dollars annually by doing this method. Etsy had over 9 million active buyers in 2020. Amazon reported net sales of over $300 billion. Some famous people who do this is Sophia Moresso, founder of Nasty Girl and online fashion retailer. You can use sites like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. I have a full course on this topic at ecompros.com, but some simple steps to get started is identify a niche you're really passionate about. Go on sites like Alibaba, AliExpress, look for items that you think will sell well, create a seller account on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Coming in at number 4 is tutoring. Online teaching and tutoring are in demand due to the accessibility and flexibility they offer. People seek to enhance their skills and knowledge and education through online platforms. Some tutors earn up to $100 per hour or more. The global e-learning market is expected to reach $375 billion by 2026. You can use sites like Coursera, Khan Academy, Udemy, Check Tutors, and VIP Kid. First, you just need to identify areas of expertise you have. You don't need to be the best in the world in a certain topic to be able to teach it to people who are not as good in that topic. Then you can create profiles on tutoring platforms that match your expertise, set your rates and availability, and promote your services. Coming in at number 3 is affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services you believe in. Businesses benefit from the marketing efforts of you. Earnings vary depending on the products you promote and the success of your promotion. Successful affiliate marketers can earn over 6 figures a year. The affiliate marketing industry was worth over $8 billion last year. The affiliate marketing size this year was worth over $17 billion. Some big affiliate marketers are Chon Chow, known for his blog and affiliate marketing success. And a lot of YouTubers are also using affiliate marketing below their videos to promote products. Sites you can use is Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CG Affiliate. Depending on your niche, you can join affiliate programs related to your niche. To get started today, look at your current followers on Instagram, Facebook, and all your social media. Think about what you can start selling today to your audiences. Then you can go on sites like Amazon, start promoting products from there, or you can go have a look at ClickBank and promote courses, depending on what you're into. You can also do other stuff like creating blog posts, videos, and more. You can then track and analyze your performance and adjust your strategy for better results. Just don't get too pushy with your friends and don't get involved in any MLM schemes. Coming in at number 2 is selling photos. Selling photos online is in demand because businesses, websites, and individuals require high-quality images for various purposes, including marketing, content creation, and design. Now, I'm not going to advise this, but you can also sell pictures of your feet or get into OnlyFans. Depending on the content you're selling, you can earn up to 6 figures annually. The photography market is estimated to reach $4.46 billion by 2027. The rise of content marketing and online media has increased the demand for stock photos. Well-known figures in this field is Thomas Hawk, who shares his work online, Ansel Adams, known for his iconic landscape photography. You can use sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and Alamy. Steps to start. Capture high quality and unique images in your chosen niche. Sign up as a contributor on stock photography platforms, upload your photos, add descriptions, and categorize them. Promote your portfolio to attract buyers. Continually add new photos to expand your portfolio and reach. Coming in at number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing is popular because there's many opportunities out there to work with companies worldwide. Earning as a freelancer will depend entirely on your skills. However, the global gig economy is projected to reach $455 billion by 2024. Some famous freelancers in the world were Alfred Nobel, he was an engineering and physics freelancer. Even Nikola Tesla was a physics freelancer. Sites you can use to get started in this is Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTool. Once you've identified your own skills, you can create a profile on these freelancing platforms, bid on projects, or list your services. You then just need to deliver high quality work and build a positive reputation on these platforms. You can then promote your services through network and social media. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share some exciting news with you. In addition to creating content here on YouTube, I also run a lean e-commerce course called Ecom Pros. On Ecom Pros, I offer a free course for e-commerce. You get expert lessons from me and people who have excelled in the e-commerce space. You learn branding and e-com with hands-on strategies, and you set yourself up for long-term success with knowledge. There's no prerequisites, and you can start today. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.